Hello pawb. It's very exciting to hear that your school is seeking to develop its focus on minority perspectives within the curriculum. You'll find a wealth of information in the working group report. This work is going to make a big difference to all children and young people in Wales, and we're already leading the UK in this element of curriculum reform. I don't need to convince you about the rationale for upping this development in our school curriculum, but I thought I'd just outline maybe a few points to help you take this work forward. The first is that the government has published its draft Race Equality Action Plan, which commits us to an anti-racist Wales by 2030. And this means being proactive about our work, not just reactive. So our school policies aren't really just going to focus on, say, racist bullying, but are going to extend right across the curriculum, enabling practitioners to think about what they teach, how they teach it, and about what they want young people to be as well as what they want them to learn. So this development's just as important to the maths teacher as it is to the music teacher and the history teacher. The second thing I wanted to say was about confidence. One of the things we noted as a working group was that people were afraid of saying or doing the wrong thing. Shying away from this is not going to help. So this means time for upskilling, for building staff confidence and knowledge, and for having the time to reflect and have deep conversations about what you're planning to do, about the selection of your materials, and about what an anti-racist curriculum will look like. Have a look at our prompt sheet. There are plenty of resources out there to help, and it's going to be very important to build sustainable relationships for resource development with national institutions, with minority organisations and with individuals, and these can be local as well as virtual. Share ideas and share your practice. And finally, this isn't just an add-on activity, but it's about everything that you do in school life. It requires a whole school approach, and this means working on the school environment, on school policies, on the visuals and the materials, on engagement with the community, staff recruitment and so on. We noted as a working group that school strategic equality plans tended to be very static documents and not linked to teaching and learning priorities. So think about what your school priorities will look like this year if they are to reflect these aspects of the curriculum. Clear plans and clear objectives produce clear outcomes. So what we need is leaders, leavers and learners. Strong leaders, good accountability and enabling culture that allows us all to learn. All children in Wales deserve to have their knowledge expanded in this way. Good luck. Bob luck.